Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to place fractions on a number line. So in this number line we have 5 chunks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's suppose that at this end we start with 1/2. Okay, and at this end we have 1. Okay, so that means that everything on this part, okay, is 1/2, and then the rest from here all the way to here is the other half. Okay. Okay, so what I usually do is, as soon as I see fractions, I convert them to decimals. So I know that 1/2 as a fraction is also 0.5. So this is also 0.5. And let's suppose up here I've got something like 3/4. Okay, and over here I've got maybe 6/10. Okay, so you should know that the big 3/4 is a common fraction, so you should know that as a decimal that is 0.75. And again, anything over a 10, anything over a tenth is just 0 point, and then whatever the numerator is. In this case it's a 6. Okay, if it was 7 over 10, it would be 0. That's my computer working up on me. 7. Okay, if it was let's see, if it was 4 over 10, it would be the same thing as 0.4. Okay, so we're looking at this one, and we're looking at this one. So let's go back to our number line. We know that this is 0.5, and we know that the rest of this space here is 0.5. So that means that we take 0.5 and we divide it by the number of chunks we have. So we have a chunk here, a chunk here, a chunk here, a chunk here, and a chunk here. That's 5. So that means that for each one of these lines here, we have to add 0.1. So in this case, it's going to be 0.6. And this is going to be 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Okay? And now we just slot these in. So this is going to be somewhere around in the middle here. And 0.6 will be here. Okay? Sorry about the technical problems. I hope this video has been good for you.